Hello curious minds friends, and welcome back to our channel. Dear friends, when we drop a piece of ice into a glass of water, it starts floating rather than sinking. Now a question comes into our mind: why does ice float on water rather than sink? To get the answer to this question, we can divide this question into two parts. First, we should know why does anything float on water? Secondly, we should know why does anything sink in the water? After getting answers to these questions, we can easily understand the reason behind the floating of ice on the water. First of all, we try to know why does anything sink in the water? If we drop anything into the water and it sinks, it means that this thing is denser than water. In other words, this thing has a greater mass per unit volume than water. The density of water is 997 kg per meter cubed. If we drop anything into the water whose density is greater than water, it will sink into the water. For example, if we drop a small part of iron into the water, it will sink into the water. Its reason is that iron has a density of 7873 kg per meter cubed. This density of iron 7873 kg per meter cubed is much greater than the density 997 kg per meter cube of water. Secondly, we try and know why does anything float on water. If we drop anything in the water and it floats on the surface of the water, it means that water is denser than that thing. In other words, we can also say that this thing has less mass per unit volume than water. If we drop wood in the water, it will float on the surface of the water. It means that it will not sink. Its reason is that the density of the wood ranges from 320 kg per meter cubed to 550 kg per meter cubed. On the other hand, the density of water is 997 kg per meter cubed. This difference in density prevents the wood from sinking into the water. Due to this reason, wood floats on the surface of the water. Now we can easily understand why does ice float on water. After getting answers to two important questions, you can get an idea why does ice float on water. The density of ice is 917 kg per meter cubed. When we drop ice in the water, it floats on the water. Its reason is that the density of ice 917 kg per meter cubed is less than the density of water 997 kg per meter cubed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Moreover, you should also subscribe to our channel and never forget to press bell icon to get timely notifications of videos like this.